Welcome to everyone. We are in the last bit of the part of D and F block, that is actinoids. Dear friends, actinoid is also the another part of the F block element. Here the electron which enter into the 4f orbital, or also this is known as your anti-penultimate shells. So the actinoids which comes under the elements is a thorium with atomic number 92. As lawrencium, the atomic number is 103. Dear friends, you keep in your mind the general electronic configuration of actinoid with the noble gas is a radon, is occupies a 5f1 to 14, 6d0 to 1 and 7s2. This is your general electronic configuration of actinoids. I repeat, actinoids are the F block elements or inner transition element or rare elements, and especially they are also radioactive in character. Yes, this actinoids which enters the electron into the F subshell, or the electron enter into the F subshells. Yes, the element which comes under thorium to the lawrencium. Yes, friends, the component lawrencium. Yes, which comes under the element radon to the radon 5f1 to 14, 6d0 to 1 and 7s2. And here also the same concept, why the actinoid undergoes contraction. This is also the same question, that is question number 14. I repeat, the answer is same. The gradually decreasing atomic radii or ionic radii in actinoid series are known as actinoid contraction. Dear friends, here this actinoid contraction will take place. The poor shielding of 5f electrons. In actinoid, the strong or greater shielding, here we keep yourself the poor shielding of 4f electrons are the major contraction reason of actinoid series. I repeat, actinoid undergoes contraction, the gradual decreasing in atomic or ionic radii in the actinoid series, or either from thorium to the lawrencium, as due to the reason is a poor shielding of a 4f electron. Dear friends, the major contribution of the actinoids, they are radioactive elements. All are radioactive in character. Yes, this is a major plus point of our syllabus is actinoid. Yes, the actinoid having a very interesting character is oxidation. Dear friends, similarly, this is an actinoid and it comes once again to the lanthanide. Lanthanide is common oxidation state is +3, lowest is +2 and highest is becomes to +4. But you keep yourself in actinoid, the common oxidation state is +3, which is available like this, +3 also possible, 4, 5, 6 as well as 7 is also possible. It means actinoids which is exhibited the highest oxidation state is +7, and the +7 oxidation state is comes under to the two elements. One is neptunium and another one is plutonium. These are the two important elements, neptunium and plutonium. These are the two elements which exhibit the highest oxidation state of actinoids. That comes under +7. I repeat, actinoid is commonly +3, the highest is +7. Lanthanide is common is +3, highest is +4, especially in here +4 is comes to be cerium only, but here neptunium and plutonium, these are comes under the actinoid series. Yes, this is a major, only one question will ask, what are actinoid and why it undergoes to the contraction. Yes, after this oxidation state, it comes under the difference between lanthanides and actinoids. Okay, dear friends, the next very important part of this lanthanoid and actinoid is a difference between lanthanoid and actinoids. Very simple, just keep in your mind. And what are the differences between lanthanoid and actinoids? The electrons entering to the 4f, I already know the 4f orbitals are known as lanthanoids. The electron entering to the 5f orbital are known as actinoids. Yes, in lanthanoid series I already mentioned, friends, that they are not radioactive except the element is promethium, and but in actinoid all elements which comes under radioactive in nature. The major concept for your GE and next one, lanthanoids are less basic. You keep yourself, the basicity will be very less, but your actinoids, the basicity is high or increases, that's why the basicity is greater. In lanthanoid, we know the maximum oxidation state is +4, the element is comes under your cerium, and actinoid is a maximum oxidation state is 7, the elements I think all of you know this is neptunium or either plutonium. These are the two elements which comes under your oxidation state is +7. And then the contraction concept, friends, and why the lanthanoid is undergoes contraction, because the 4f electron having a greater or higher shielding effects, and this is the major reason to the contraction, and 5f electrons are having a very poor shielding in actinoids. Due to this is a contraction. Due to this poor shielding, the contraction is becomes to be very high. This actinoids are more contraction or greater contraction due to the poor shieldings, and lanthanoid is having a contraction is less because of the greater shielding of 4f electron. Yes, you keep practicing these two concepts of lanthanoids and actinoids in this chapter. Dear friends, in whole, I repeat once again, the lanthanoids and actinoids are F block elements. The weightage of this part is only 2 marks in your NCERT or Karnataka State Board. Yes, the questions are 3, several times they mentioned. One is what are lanthanoid into contraction, what are actinoid into contraction, and the last one, write the difference between lanthanoid and actinoids. Somewhere they know they mentioned the 2 extra questions. Yes, why cerium is a +4 oxidation state, because they stabilize with the noble gas electronic configuration xenon 4f0, or either they ask the question and atomic size or atomic radii of zirconium and hafnium becomes same. Why? Due reason. The answer is due to the lanthanoid contraction. These are the simple concept regarding to the F block. Totally today we complete the chapter is a D and F block, and you keep practicing and repeatedly practicing this inorganic chemistry, friends, because in inorganic chemistry the balanced reaction is very important for exam point of view, and theoretical aspects is also have little confusion. That's why you keep in your mind. So many students will under confusion. 4f comes to the actinoid, 5f comes to the lanthanoid. That's why I request you to keep practicing or keep writing practice is very important. As keep watching the D block and F block elements. Thank you so much, friends.